Patisserie Studio, and today we're going to be making 5 super quick and easy crafts that you can make from just supplies from the Dollar Tree, as long as you have a hot glue gun. Now, a lot of the things I did not go out and buy from the dollar store, such as acrylic paint and washcloths and like scissors and things like that, because the things I had were better quality, and since I had them, I didn't want to go out and just create more waste, so I just reused the ones I had. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so the first one is this super easy, cute little foam board. Now, this is just really easy. All you need from the dollar store is some foam board and then a little stick-on corkboard thing. So, the first thing I did was just unwrapped the corkboard from the packaging, and then I just kind of drew out how big I wanted it to be. And then after that, I just pasted it onto the corner of my foam board, and then I cut that out, leaving some extra space, and then I just made it really nice and straight. And then I stuck adhesive craft foam around the edges, so I would just cut them out and then stuck them on. Okay, so this next thing is super easy. You just get one of these little picture frames. They come in so many different sizes, and then you just print out a picture. This one was from a few years ago, and it's just super cute and easy. Alright, so the next thing is this really cute little cat or pet bed. You can use it for puppies or kittens. It's a good size for that because it's kind of small. First thing you do is you just get one of these cups. You can buy them at the dollar store. Like I said earlier, I already had this, so I just used this one. I just measured about 2 inches off the top and cut it off. And then with the bottom, I trimmed it down a bit because we're going to be using that later, and it's going to be a pot for a plant. So I just cut that down, and you'll see how that pops up later. Alright, so then I took the little top of the cup and I just glued it onto some foam board, and yeah, and then I thought I was filming it, but I was not. I just covered it in some fabric, and then here's how it turned out. Okay, so with this next one, you can get these buckets in a 2-pack, and I already did this to one of them. I just took some twine and I wrapped it around the top, but you don't have to do that. So I just bent the little hoops off, and then I took this wire twine and I took out the wire, and then I separated all the twine into 4 different pieces, but I only needed 3 for this craft. So you just separate them and lay them out. You can do 4, but I only did 3. Alright, and then all I did was I glued them on to the bucket in a crisscross pattern, because this is a little macrame plant holder. So this is real-time speed. And then I just tied 3 knots, and then 3 knots again, and then a knot at the top, and this is how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute. So yeah, you can just hang them up, and I got some flowers and plants that I just put in the little buckets, and then I just set them out around the house. So the next thing is this really simple, big potted plant. So the first thing I did was I take a washcloth and I just pulled it over the top of it, and pulled it over the top of a little like applesauce container, and then I tied a hair tie, and then I painted it all brown, and then my camera broke. It's fine now. but I had to take pictures of this. I'm so sorry. So all I did was I took a plant from the dollar store and I took all the leaves off and I just glued it down to the middle of an old applesauce container. And then I stuffed a washcloth around it. Again, you can buy these at the dollar store. And then I took the washcloth that I had painted brown and I stuck it over the top of the plant that I'd removed the leaves of. And then after that, all I did was I just pulled it down snug, and then I stuck it into the Tinkerbell cup, and I painted this a blue color. You can paint it, you can leave it Tinkerbell or whatever your cup is. And I glued it in there so it was nice and secure, and the washcloth looks like dirt. And then I added the leaves black on. You can, of course, just use a flower plant. I used leaves because I wanted a house plant, and I just put those back on one at a time. And this is how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute, and I'm so sorry I wasn't not able to film that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if this video was chaotic. Like I said, my camera broke in the middle of filming this, so that made some setbacks. But I hope you enjoyed this regardless, and I'm sorry this video is up a day late. And I'm sorry I also didn't upload last week. Actually, I was sick last week, so I was just trying to get better and just get some rest. And I'm currently out of town, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on this, but I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was really chaotic and late. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!